Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to Lotus Makeup channel. Well, in case if you are wondering why I'm dressed up like a bride, well that's because in this video I am teaching you Indian bridal makeup look. So I've done very traditional eyes which are like gold glittery eyes with a winged liner and of course a nice bright red lipstick. So let's get started and learn this look. So first thing always has to be moisturizing the skin really well. So I'm using this Lotus Botanical Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Serum. Now this really helps in giving a nice radiant glow and will also keep my skin very well moisturized. Now I'm using this lip sugar from Lotus Makeup. This is in shade Vanilla. Now I'm using this ecostay perfect brow definer to fill my eyebrows. Now this pencil is super long wear, it's dermatologically tested, it has castor oil and olive wax. So just brushing my eyebrows upward, and now I am from the pencil side, I am just filling the eyebrows. Always remember whenever you're filling the eyebrows, keep your hands very light. Do not apply too much pressure, otherwise you'll have like really harsh lines. And also do small strokes just the way I am doing in this video. Now I'm applying some concealer on my eyelid. Now this makes your eye makeup long lasting and gives it a nice base, and also it avoids any kind of creasing. Always apply some powder on top of this concealer, otherwise your eyeshadow will start creasing. Now I'm taking this matte brown shade and applying it on the crease. Now I'm taking this velvet eyeshadow palette in shade Autumn Feel, and I'm taking this nice bright gold shade from the palette and using a flat brush, applying it on my eyelid. After this, I'm taking this brown shade and I'll start applying this in the outer corners just to darken the outer corners. So I'm darkening the outer corners even more by using a darker shade of brown. Now I've taken a clean blending brush and just blending out all the edges to avoid any harsh lines and to make sure that the eye makeup looks well blended. After this, I'm taking this gold glitter and applying it on my eyelids. Now I'm taking a wet wipe and just cleaning the under eye area because I ended up dropping some glitter on my face. Now next step is to create an eyeliner, and I'm using this proedit Silk Touch Perfecting Eyeliner. Well, this is a pen eyeliner and hence it's very easy to use, and it's also very long lasting. It's paraben free, it's vegan and is enriched with vitamin E and chamomile. So I'm drawing like a small winged eyeliner using this. Okay, so this is how the eyes are looking right now. Next step is obviously to apply some mascara. So curling my lashes before that, and the mascara that I'm using is called Max Lash Waterproof Mascara. Now I love the wand of this mascara, just have a look. It's so nice and it's so easy to reach out the inner corner because the wand is shaped like that. Now after this mascara, I will also add some false eyelashes to enhance my eye makeup look. And here I am, this is how my eyes are looking after the false eyelashes. Let's go on to the face makeup now using this Insta Smooth Perfecting Primer. Well, it reduces the appearance of large pores and prepares the skin for makeup and makes it long lasting. So just applying it all over my face. Next step is to apply some concealer on your dark circles or any dark spots that you have. I'm taking this foundation now. It's called ProEdit Silk Touch Foundation. Now this is an oil-free formula. It blends seamlessly and gives you a nice coverage. Now after the foundation, use a lighter shade of concealer if you want to just brighten up your under eye area. Now I'm using this glow strobe cream and I'm applying it on my cheekbones like this, and I'll blend it using my fingers. Now this will give a very nice radiant healthy glow to the skin. You can apply this strobe cream all over the face or just on the highlighting points like what I did. After this, I'm using this Silk Touch Perfecting Powder and applying it under the eyes to make sure that the concealer stays in place and it doesn't crease. If you have an oily skin, go ahead and apply this powder all over the face. Taking ecostay Gel Eye Definer in shade Mega Black. Now this pencil is very long lasting, just one stroke is good enough. Even if you're wearing lenses, you can apply this pencil in your waterline, it's very safe. Completing the eye makeup with this mascara again on the lower lashes. Never forget this step, it just makes your eye look so complete. Now next step is to contour the face. Well, this is very important to make sure that your cheekbones look more uplifted and your jawline looks sharper. Now I'm taking this blush and highlighter duo. I'm taking the blusher side first and applying it on my cheekbones, and I'm taking it all the way to the temples. Taking some highlighter and applying it on the highlighting points, which are bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin and also on the cheekbones. Now I'm taking this lip definer in shade Red Rebel, and I absolutely love this lip liner, guys. It's very creamy and the application is super easy just because, you know, it's so creamy and it just blends so nicely. Now filling my lips with, of course, a red lip color. The shade that I'm using is called Shanghai Red. Okay, let me wear my jewelry and get back. So guys, here is the complete Indian bridal makeup look that I created for all of you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let us know in the comment section below. And before you guys leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye.